Uh, 3H2 equals to 2 NH3.
Yeah, okay. So this one is 3. So must make sure you balance. If not, you will have lost marks for nothing. Okay? Alright. Okay. ZiHua, the Lee Chatterjee principle is correct, but it's not in your syllabus. Okay? So you cannot answer like this.
Okay.
Okay? So how do you answer? Alright, predict the effect of increasing the temperature. So if it goes here, if this one is exo, if you increase the temperature, it will favor ZiHua. This entire answer is wrong. Can you look at your answer and tell me what is wrong?
Oh, increasing the you favor endothermic reaction
Which side is endothermic?
towards left.
So predict and explain the effect of increasing temperature to the yield of ammonia. So your answer must be like this. The yield of ammonia decreases because high temperature favors the reverse reaction, which is endothermic. Okay? Can you understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. Hi. No, you want to ask me something? Oh yeah, you can study. It's okay. You can study. All right. Okay. Using collision theory, explain the effects of increasing the temperature on the rate of reaction. Kitchen fire increases, increasing. Uncle, this one 3 marks. Do you think you have 3 marks? Increasing kinetic energy of particles is 1. Rate of collision, effective collision is 1. More particles achieve what?
Activation energy.
Activation energy, yes. Eh, why this time your answers like not so good, huh? Okay, more particles achieve activation energy. All right. Predict and explain the effect of increasing pressure. Shift to the right, less moles of gas. Okay, correct. Add product. Okay. One economy with high pressure not use. It's very close use a lot of electricity. Okay. From air. Okay. Okay, Zhehua, this one, right? You cannot just say lower activation energy. You must say lower activation energy and increase rate. You must write both. Okay? Got it? Okay. All right. A, compound C. That's correct. For covalence. All right. Okay, good. Right. Correct, good. Okay. Because are quite closely together. ZiHua, arrangement is not packed closely together. Arrangement is regular arrangement or lattice arrangement. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Closely packed is not an answer. Okay, particles goes together. Okay, can arrange randomly slightly. Okay. So you have to have two words, which is dissolve and diffuse. So you have diffuse, but you don't have dissolve. Okay? And then from high concentration to low concentration and particles moving is correct. Okay. State one difference the student will observe if the solution change. Is it okay? Particles okay that they enter and collect. Okay, correct. Six. Okay, that's so good. Very good. Okay, this one very easy lah. Yeah, right. Good. Okay, if A is nothing, right, you no need to draw the shell. Okay, correct. Okay, and B. Okay. So why I need compound sulfide mother? Ayo, Zuhua, this is literally chapter 2 101. How can you get this wrong? Can you think carefully? Can you think carefully what's the answer? Question says ionic. Ionic, what is the answer?
Electrostatic force of attraction.
Yes. Strong electro. You write like this here, 2 marks gone, there 2 marks gone, no more answers already. So you know the answer. Why you simply write electrostatic forces of attraction, and then you must write between positive and negative ions, or you can say between oppositely charged ions. Okay? All right? Can you understand? Wrote
Yes.
this down already? Okay. Don't make silly mistakes, okay? Right. Okay. Yeah. See number of valence electron. Okay. So not pairs of electron, a pair of electrons together. Okay. This one you cannot write like this. It's dot dot cross. Okay, can you please change it?
Okay.
Okay, done?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, intermolecular forces. Okay. Is that all? Got some more. Oh, this one is to test hydrated salt. Paint to glue to condense the water vapor. Okay. This one like we discussed already.
This one haven't. The last one, yes.
Oh, okay, okay. If this one, you see all got two decimal point, everything also must put two decimal point. Can see that or not?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you don't make this mistake, huh? Okay, let's see. What should I still done? Nah, dry quickly, just put in the oven. Not acetone. Acetone it will dissolve in the water. Okay, right. Alright, good. This part good. Just a little bit of mistakes here and there. Please be careful, your answers. Alright, Zoha? For your exam.
Okay.
Okay. The other one. This one we discussed until where? This other paper? Look at this one.
Haven't.
This one haven't at all.
Yeah.
Okay. Calculate overall energy using the energy bonds. The reaction of a hydrogen fuel cell is exothermic. It's because energy release. Oh, your answer is not complete. You read again, you see what you forgot. You read carefully. So why you read carefully, you see what you forgot. There's something missing in your answer.
Energy release in bond forming.
Yeah, no. You see, when you want to answer like this, you have to say, because energy absorbed to break bonds is less than energy released to form bonds. Or you can say energy released to form bonds is more. But you have to have both of these things in the same sentence. Meaning, absorb, break bonds, release, form bonds. And who is more? And who is less? Like that. Get it?
Yes.
Okay. So be careful when you do this kind of questions, ah. Okay. Next one. Ayo, okay, I give you 2 minutes, 30 seconds. You look at this question. Tell me what's wrong. Can you tell me what's wrong? Think carefully, think carefully. Okay, cannot? If you want to draw, can you draw up and down like that? That doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. And your arrow also wrong. This whole thing is wrong. Okay, I draw for you in red. You see, this is exothermic. Correct, like this, correct. Your activation energy must be here to here. That is your EA. From here to here is EA. Do you understand? You can only draw the energy going up. Then going down from here, your energy change is only here to here, my dear. You look carefully. Can you see what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Uh, Make sure you know what to do in exam. Don't make these kind of silly mistakes, okay? Okay, you done already? You let me know when you're done, okay?
Okay.
You done?
Okay.
Okay, so it's very one yes, because we say the graph is steeper or the gradient is higher. Okay? The words we use is grass is steeper or gradient is higher. No, not. How do you know what is the limiting region? You never say anything also. So because they just say investigates where using magnesium ribbon at hydrochloride 2 different temperatures. So all you can say is the amount of reactant is the same. The same. So the amount of product is the same. Unless the question tells you which one is the limiting factor, they don't tell you. You cannot just create like that. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, write down the answer. Tell me when you're done.
Okay.
All right. A teacher suggested repeating the experiment using a catalyst. Please, okay, okay. No effect. All right. No, okay, this part correct. So your answer here for the 3 mark question, decrease 1 mark, correct? Concentration decrease, collision rate between hydrocarbons and less. Yes, correct. You forgot one more thing. For rates, for concentration, what do you say? You say there are less particles per unit volume. Do you remember this statement? Less particles per unit volume. Understand? So what? Do you remember this part?
Yes.
No, you cannot come up with your own theory and own words, ZiHua, I taught you all the keywords. Why are you not using the keywords? The keyword for concentration is particle per unit volume. The keyword for temperature is activation energy and kinetic energy. The keyword of powder is what? Larger surface area. Why are you not using keywords? Hey, you cannot write what you feel like writing. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, you cannot write like that. You have to write the keywords. I gave you all the keywords. Why you didn't use the notes I gave you? Do you have the notes I gave you?
Yes.
Then do you look at the notes I gave you?
Yep.
Then how come you don't want to write based on the notes I gave you? I gave you all point form what? Hey, this one is a simple answer. You write like that. Okay, so rate of reaction increases. Correct, 1 mark only. Okay, so this one all wrong because larger surface area is 1 mark. Okay, so rate of collision frequency increases. Remember, answers are not what you feel, it's what the marking scheme wants, okay?
Okay.
Done already?
Yes.
And then you half do, half don't do, then show the state symbols you forgot. Did you rush to do this? Huh?
Yes.
No wonder lah. It's like half right, half wrong like that. Cannot like that. Okay?
Okay.
Why? Why? Remember just now I told you already? Okay, these two
Yes.
is the same. These two are the same question like just now. Can you please? Okay, these two. Can you please write down the same way as just now? Same question as just now. Okay. Follow previous answer. Do you know what questions are these?
Yes. The effect of temperature one.
Yeah. Okay. All right. High pressure yield as the famous fuel molecules of gas favors the side with fewer molecules of gas. Okay, correct. This one correct. Okay, so same as just now. And then this one same as just now, lah, increases rate. Okay, this question is the same. Okay, the rest are the same, is it? Are they the same? Or is it different?
Yes.
Same question lah. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Have we discussed all of this already?
Yeah.
Ah yeah, this one again. Look at this one, ZiHua, this one.
Same thing as just now.
Can you draw again and show me? Draw now and show me. I want to see whether you understand. Draw and then send to me. Huh? Can you please draw on a piece of paper and send to me because that is still wrong. Draw on a piece of paper and send to me now. Don't know what you're doing. Hey, you don't lah. From a good student, you do this one here a bit wrong, there a bit wrong. From a B, you can go to a C, you know. Do it properly. Okay, this one also same. The answers again. This one, you must talk about bond forming and bond breaking. Send to me, take a photo and send to me, okay? Are you done? Okay, are you done? Send ready? Eh, send ready or not? Don't draw like that. Draw on a piece of paper and send me. Zihua, I said it 3 times already. Zihua, Zihua, can you hear me? Zihua, can you hear me? Zihua, can you hear me? I said draw on a piece of paper and send me. You draw like this, I don't know what you're doing. It's very messy. I said it 3 times already. You cannot hear me, is it? What's wrong with you today, ah? You done?
Yes.
Send me already.
Yes.
You sent to where? You sent to which chat?
The group chat.
Are you sure? Don't you receive anything also?
What the? Wait ah. Let me check. I will reload my chat first. Means got now? My internet off.
Now got. ZiHua, is something wrong with you today? Just now I was teaching you, were you listening or not? What did I teach you just now? Do you remember what I taught you just now? How can you give me the same wrong answer? You tell me now what's wrong with your answer? You look at this and tell me what's wrong with your answer. What did I just teach you just now? I don't know whether you were listening or not. What did I say just now? This is exothermic, right? So, if this is the reactant, EA is just one arrow going up. How can you draw double arrow like that? And this is EA. How can you be wrong in so many levels? I just did the correction for you 5 minutes ago, the exact same question. What is wrong with you today? And then here, exothermic. So this is activation energy. So let's say it's negative. I don't know negative how much. How much you got the negative 115? Hmm. Correct or not? Can you see how your answer is wrong? And how you're giving me the same wrong answer 3 times? Are you done? Finish or not?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. All right. It's not heat energy, and enthalpy change means energy change, not heat energy. Okay lah, can lah. When magnesium remain is added to the No, okay, I want you to read this again. Think carefully. Think carefully. It has something to do with this. It has something to do with what I highlighted. Think carefully. This is a higher order thinking skill. Think carefully a bit. What's your answer? If the enthalpy change is negative, energy is released or absorbed. Energy is released or absorbed.
Released.
Released, so it becomes hotter or colder.
Hotter.
Hotter. So the temperature increases 1 mark. More particles achieve activation energy.
Energy.
Okay? G not required. Energy absorbed to break bonds is greater than energy released to form bonds. Understand?
Yes.
No, these are same. Okay, correct. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna send you another question now. I want you to do it now. Because I think you like half know, half don't know like that. Very dangerous. The questions on which chapter do you think you are the weakest? Huh? Which chapter do you think you need help?
Electro.
Huh?
Uh,
Electrochemistry.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tell me what factors affect electrolysis.
What factor affect electrolysis?
Yeah. That means how do I choose which ion to discharge in the anode or the cathode? Start with the anode. Which one do I choose to discharge in the anode? How do I choose? If it's an aqueous solution, if it's an aqueous solution, I have a choice between hydroxide ion and what ion?
You got hydroxide and halide.
And halide, then who do I choose? Who do I choose? If it's concentrated, I choose.
If you're concentrated, you choose halide,
If it's diluted,
hydroxide. Hyd
okay. Write down from memory the equation for hydroxide ion discharge.
Equation of hydroxide.
Yeah, hydroxide ion.
Let me think. O2 plus
Write it down,
F4
write it down, write it down.
means for what? Like
No, the
for
if hydroxide is chosen to be discharged, how will it look
mhm.
like? How would the equation look like? That means I choose hydroxide to be discharged.
Oh, okay.
You show me
4 OH minus
4OH minus, and then after that, arrow,
form O2 and H2O.
uh, 2H2O plus O2 plus 4 electron. Hello, this one. This one, look at this. This one. Okay, I just send you this question. Do this question now.
Okay.
You done?
Miss can scroll down now. Like scroll down a bit.
I sent this to you, no?
Yeah.
Okay, I can scroll down. Okay.
Miss can scroll down one more time.
Sure. Are you almost done? I have another class soon.
Okay.
Okay, tell me your answers. Okay, what is meant by electrolyte?
A liquid containing free moving ions that conduct electricity.
No. Ionic compounds, must say ionic compounds in molten or aqueous, not liquid, that can conduct electricity. Okay?
Okay.
Oxidation. This one is oxidation number.
Wait,
Did you
I
get it correct?
copy down first.
Okay.
The oxidation one. Oh yeah, oxidation. I write
Oxidation
oxidation
number.
number.
Can.
Blue color becomes fades.
Colorless, yeah, can. Blue to colorless or blue solution fades. Blue solution turns colorless. Okay. Cathode, what happens?
CO2 positive AQ
No need state
plus
symbols. Plus,
2E minus is CU. Means for this one, no need to write the symbol one.
state symbol no need. What is the formula of the ion that forms oxygen at the anode?
O-
Huh?
OH minus.
Yes, correct. Okay.
Uh, uh, when using copper electrode, the anode decrease in mass.
Okay, if you electroplate,
The anode will be pure silver.
okay, cathode,
Cathode will be the spoon.
electrolyte,
Electrolyte solution containing silver ion.
so you put silver nitrate solution. Okay. Why do you electroplate the spoons?
To make it look better,
Okay, enhance, so
enhance
beauty.
appearance,
And then another one is prevent.
prevent corrosion or rusting.
Okay, correct. All right. Okay, last one. This one you don't learn yet. So if the hydrogen fuel cell, basically the only product is water, so there is no greenhouse gas produced. That's the advantage.
Why is it expensive?
No, the only one answer is there's no greenhouse gas produced. Okay,
Okay.
please study. Don't half know, half no, half don't know like that. Okay, can? Okay, Zilha.
Okay.
All right, I see you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.